Sundays with the Dan. Today I'm going to read this one. Only hippo learns humanity, but I'm going to wish a Matthias Day. And this is the day when Gandhiji died. I salute to Gandhiji, and I have a book here. Look. But I'm not going to read this one. I'm going to review it on Tuesday. So, let us start our this story. Holy Hippo learns humanity. Holy Hippo lived in the forest and was a good dancer. He ran a dance school. He could step dance and was very good at hip hop. He was also good at the salsa and the samba. There is a dance party tonight. The highlight party is a dance competition. Many animals of the forest dance well, but no one was good as Holly Hippo. And Holly was the one about his expertise. So this time he did not practice at all, but he did buy jazzy clothes. He bought a pair of yellow leather pants and a bright red shirt with flowers. He also bought a pair of glasses and blinking lights. Soon everyone came on the stage. The DJ began to play music and the competition began. All the animals danced. Ellie stumbled and he was disqualified. Tiger missed a few steps. He also had to get off of the stage. Now it's Holly Hippos and Robbie Rabbit's turn. Dun, 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 dun. One by one, the animals who were distracted got off the stage and stood on the slides, clapping for the competitors. Holly Hippo was merrily dancing. After some time, only Holly Hippo and Robbie Rabbit were left on the stage. Dun 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 dun. Flashback. Holly Hippo looked at Robbie Rabbit, who was his student. How can a student win against his teacher? Bah! Holly Hippo was sure that the trophy was his. And then an unusual happened. Dun, 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 dun. Flashback. Holly Hippo missed a step. Everyone saw that there was pin. Dropped silence and the judge watched carefully. Holly Hippo danced the salsa, Robbie, and he did the perfectly Holly dance hip hop. Robbie was good at hip hop. Holly showed his special steps that only he knew to the judge, but Robbie knew that those two being his student and he had practiced some new ones have as all began to the sound. Had to practice some new ones. Holly began to switch and the stumble. Flashback. But first, let's show the page. Dun, 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 dun. gently asked, "Why are you feeling? Are you feeling okay?" Yeah. The animals suddenly loudly. Holy Hippo had lost the dance competition. With his head hanging low, he got off the stage. Oh no! He could not believe it. This is impossible. He could not to be happening to him. His ventilation was crushed. Flashback. The John King gave Robbie the trophy. Robbie had to make a speech as well. He took the microphone and as he started to speak, Holy Hippo stopped dead in his tracks. He had heard his name being called. Robbie Rabbit said, "I have Sir Holy Hippo to thank for this trophy." Huh? He is my teacher. If he had not taught me good dancing styles, I could never have won. Please come on the stage, sir. The audience looked at Holly and clapped and cheered for him. Ollie climbed the stage and thanked Robbie. Robbie handed him the trophy and said, "Thank you for giving me the trophy. Sir, please display this in the dance school. It belongs there." Holly had tears in his eyes. He felt ashamed and humbly offered Robbie the job of a dancing teacher. Robbie had been asking for a job since a long time so that he could earn some money. Then Holly Hippo did the unthinkable. He turned towards the audience and said, "The dance school will open for free classes every Saturday and Sunday." The animals hooted and whistled in happiness. Holly and humbly accepted defeat. Robbie then asked, "Let us dance for the audience." Holly agreed, and both the teacher and student gave a beautiful dance performance. Holly was smiling at everyone. He completed his students and smiled shyly on the stage. Being praised and brushed it away the tears on his eyes, he showed simple dance steps to little children and they all laughed with glee. Robbie stood on one side watching his teacher. He had wanted a job at the dance school. He had also wanted that Holly had become good friends, and today his wishes had come true with his hard work. During the party, Holly had another bright idea. He decided to form a dancing troupe. He asked Robbie to make the audience, and he said that the auditions would begin soon. Yeah. Flashback. Oh, page. night, but he shone brighter than before. He was no longer a haughty star, but a humble one. All the animals wanted to be his friend. Robbie was proud of his teacher today. The animals talked about the dance party for a long time. It was a wonderful night. So, vocabulary and the type of style of American dance. Do you know American dance? Share in the comments. And bye-bye. See you next Sunday. Sundays with Ridan. Thank you for listening and watching my video, and I hopefully say that you always watch my videos and share in the comments and like. Bye bye. See you next Sunday. Sundays with Ridan. Thank you.